Hey guys, today we're doing front brakes and rotors on the 2022 Toyota 4Runner. So these brakes, they're big brakes. They're like Brembo style. They're not like your traditional brakes. I find them easier and less annoying than regular brakes, but everybody have their preference. So you're gonna pull out this like in, I guess you could call it a pin or a wire. So it goes in here, and then from here it locks into both the pins. So you could just push in right here, either pull it out or pull it out from each pin. There you go. Now we're gonna start removing the pin. That's the bottom one. Look, this one we're gonna have to. So they're both the same. We gotta clean that up later. Next, we're gonna remove this clip. Now we're gonna push the brake pads back in. So you could try it and get them pushed like this. So I use two, because when you push one side in, it starts to push the other side. Now we can slide the brake pads out. Look at that. Okay, our pistons are pushed in. Maybe you have to push them in a little more, but now we're ready to remove the whole brake caliper. Okay, so now we're going to remove the bolts that hold the caliper on. So we got one here and another one here. They are 19 millimeter. So I'm a big guy. I could just use a regular 3/8. I mean, if you're any smaller than me, you're gonna have to get a long, big ratchet. But okay, I'm gonna go get a bigger ratchet. Let's get serious here. I'm no longer playing with this. Oh. See? So what you could do is you could smack the end of the ratchet with the hammer like this. And it'll yield. It'll yield all right. Go. Silly me. And behold, you have a free caliper that needs to be hung. There we go. Now that we got the caliper free and hanging safely, now we could get the rotor off. Like I gotta go get me some of these screws. This is the second time where I could have used it, but I don't have it. We're gonna have to persuade it a different way, okay? Did a little persuading. Hey, I think we convinced it. I yield. Where's your old rotor? If you want this to stay still, you just put a lug nut on it. Ta-da! Okay, so the brake pads brought its own grease and its own hardware, so I don't have to clean the old one. Actually, I gotta clean the old pins. So here we go. These are the new boys. Okay, now we're gonna put the brake caliper back on. So with these brakes, the new ones, it didn't come with this. It come with just regular cotter pins instead now. So we're gonna use those. And we're done. Okay guys, just remember to pump your brakes when you get in the car. Very important, pump those brakes. Yeah.